Oops. I think that was a chip on the floor, wasn't it, kiddo? That's okay. We'll clean it up. What are you doing? Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you full?
No.
No, you're just doing a little dance? Is this your dinner dance?
No.
Dinner dance, dinner dance, dinner dance. Karl doing the dinner dance.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Hey, keep drinking. Okay, buddy, keep drinking. You're going to get dizzy, you know that? Spinning like this. This is going to be like your dinner spin. Say, whoa, crazy dinner spin. What do you think, huh? Is it time to take a shower? Will you take a little shower? Get you cleaned up? Yeah? How about we put our dish in the sink? Are you done?
No.
You want to eat some more then?
No.
Well, if you're done and you don't want to eat some more,
No.
hey, what do we do when we're done with our dish?
No.
Yeah. What do we do with it, huh? Do you remember? What do we do with our dish when we're done with it? Do you remember? Huh, kiddo? Do you remember? Is it yummy drink? Do we have fun with Grandma today? Yeah.
Butts.
Yeah? We'll say, hi! What are you doing? You silly goose. Are you... What? Hey, no thank you. Don't hit me.
Butts.
No punch.
Butts.
Are you trying to punch the camera? You silly goose? Hey, do you know why we don't punch, kiddo? We don't punch because it hurts. And we don't want people to punch us. It's not nice, huh? Hey, ready? Are you done with dinner? Huh? Hey, I need to know if you're done with dinner. We got to put your dish away. Okay? Hey, what are you about? Hey, are you ready? We got to put the dish away. Karl Cannon, if you are done eating, I want you to put your dish in the sink. You got it? You ready? Are you dancing with me? You silly goose. You're a good dancer, kiddo. You still have to put your dish away, though. Are you getting dizzy? Whoa. Wow. Whoa, crazy kiddo. Crazy silly goose. If I didn't know better, I thought you were doing that on purpose. Hey, no. Don't hit people with it. Okay, time for come on. Are you all done?
No.
Okay, then keep eating.
No.
Whoa, excuse me. Or excuse you, huh?
No.
Grump? Are you grumpy?
Cool.
Why are you a grump? What are you doing? What are we doing, huh? You need to put your dish away.
I got it.
No, After you eat, what do you do with your dishes?
Push me.
What do you do with your dishes?
Push me.
Hey, no, don't push me. Carl Cannon, what do you do with your dishes? Come on.
Snowing.
Oh, is it snowing out there? I don't think it's snowing out there, silly geese. Oh, it could be.
Snowy.
No, it's not snowing.
Snowy.
What? No.
Snowy.
Okay, grab your dish. Put it in the sink, please. Okay. You can just set it on the counter this time, okay? Here, just set it on the counter. Yeah, because Daddy's going to finish your soup for you. Here, set it on the... See Hey, Daddy's going to eat the rest of it because you don't want it. Carl, go be nice. We got some cleaning to do, don't we? We got to clean up after we cook.
Yeah.
No squawking. Are you cooking? Huh? Were those the eggs that we could... Oh, careful. Leave them in the pan. Guess there's going to be some more cleaning, huh? Are you trying to scoop it out? I know, it's hard to do that right there, isn't it? That's some good practice, though. Okay, bud. Are you ready to go take your quick shower tonight? Are you ready? This is going to be an awesome video. You silly goose. Carl, do you want to say good night?
Good night.
Thank you, buddy.